Okay. So it's kind of got a wonky.
What?
Oh, I'm doing a little video. A little wonky whorl back there, but it's working. The shaft is brass, not steel. Same with the axle for the wheel. It's brass, not steel. So can't be super old spinning wheel, and it doesn't look like it has had much use. And I'm not sure if it's the shaft that's bent that's causing the issue. So I made a wire and leather footman, and it's working well. It's tensioned up really well, not too, yeah, it works. This wheel is all right, except for that wonky little whorl there in the back. It is definitely for making thin thread for weaving and not necessarily for knitting. Couldn't make very thick yarn on this wheel. Does have a distaff on it, but that doesn't necessarily mean it's for flax, but it's definitely an old wheel for style wheel for making thread for weaving, and looks to be able to do that quite well. Let's get you on a different angle here. I'm going to put a different variety of wool on here just to see how this goes. Yes, I'll be right there. So it works. You can see the wonky whorl. And the treadle pops out of its foothold, but I'm still treadling because the other end is still in place. So we'll have to see about that issue. Okay.